Many times what we see when I talk to prospects, when I ask them, why do you want to start network marketing business? I get an answer. They say that I want to earn passive income. I want to earn passive income from network marketing, right? Now, in my opinion, passive income is actually a myth. Okay. There is no passive income in network marketing. Why am I saying this? Because what I see, people are actually struggling to make active income first. Because if there is no active income, right, there will the passive income will not be easy, right? It is actually not possible. I see people they don't have any systems in place, and they are working actively every month for business, right? They are involved 24/7 for business, even if they have a big downline, even if they have a big team, still they are actively involved. So my take is, if you are always actively involved, you will never be able to make passive income. And to make passive income, the most important element is having a system which is working for you. Like the one we discussed, have creating digital assets is super important. Your digital version must be working for you, and your system must be establishing trust in the market. So if you're not using a proper system, let's say if you're not using YouTube, right, if you're not using platforms like YouTube where you can do the marketing, and you have put in the effort once, and YouTube is leveraging that effort, right, it is multiplying the effort. YouTube actually is an effort multiplier, right?
Correct.
YouTube is actually educating your future team members on 24/7 basis, even if when you're not working, right? And from YouTube, you're taking your people to automated live webinar. So your leads are also getting nurtured 24/7 without being dependent on you. You're getting my point. So when you have a system which is working for you, and you make your team members independent, you make your team members independent. Until and unless your team members are independent, you will not be able to earn passive income, right? So you need to figure out how to make good active income first. You need to place a system where which helps you to make your team members independent. Now, how will you make your team members independent? You will be able to make your team members independent by building a culture. What we have done in our team, we have made all our team members as creators. There is a saying called creators make money and consumers lose money,
Correct.
right? So we have made our entire team as creators. We call ourselves as TLF creators. TLF creators, that means the leadership factory creators,
Okay.
right? So all are creators in our team, and we have given them funnels automated funnels. They do not need to invest on any tool or any system. They do not need to learn it. They are just creators. They are creating on multiple platforms. They are using the automated system to nurture their leads, and we have trained them. We have given them specific training, and for this training also, we have systemized this training process. That means we have given them an application, and in that application, serially the training is mentioned, so that we do not need to train each and every person all the time.
Correct.
Whenever a new person joins, okay, first we give them access to our training program, okay, which the person can finish in 7 days, let's say. Once the
Okay.
person goes through the training program, the person is in the working condition. The person is ready to work now. Absolute clarity. We create automated funnels immediately. We create automated funnels for that immediately using a tool called Kajabi and webinar chat. Okay. Now this is the thing which we give them access. Along with that, we make them creators. We make them creators. The same saying, creators make money, consumers lose money. We have instilled this thought in their mind. Now everybody is a creator on multiple platforms, let's say YouTube. Okay. Now their daily activity is to create more and more. They are bringing in more and more to their nurturing system. They are bringing in more and more people to their known zone. People have started to know them through YouTube. After watching their video on YouTube, they go to the automated live webinar, and then they connect with the person. Then they do the follow up and closing. That's it. This is the way where we are not involved with the team members. We just simply guide them. We do a mastermind session every day 10 p.m. where we discuss about how is the business going, and where is the area which is means where you are facing the problem.
Okay.
Right. So in this way, we have made our team members independent by creating a culture. Systems are working in place. Team is working by their own because they are creators. They are responsible for their own growth. We are just guiding them. In this way, when team members are independent through a system, then only the passive income is possible.
Very
Me
true.
and my upline, we just work 1 hour per day. Just 1 hour per day for our network marketing business. The rest of the things are taken care of by the system and the culture which we have built in our team. So passive income is only possible when we have a good system, a proven system which is working on our behalf. When we have created digital assets which is working for ourselves. When we have created system which is nurturing our leads 24/7, even if when we are sleeping, when we are not working. In this way, only you'll be able to make passive income. Along with this, what we have done, along with this, we have given multiple income streams, multiple streams of income to our team members by creating some digital products. YouTube is a good income source. Network marketing is a good income source. We have trained them how to do paid workshop, paid consultancy, everything. What we are actually doing, we have trained the same to them. So this is a unique feature. This is a unique thing which we are giving to our team members, which is keeping them stay in the team. When team members make money, they will never leave your team. They will never leave you, even if you leave the network marketing. Right? And this way, passive income is possible. And it takes, when you have the right system and when you make your team member, it takes around, if you do it with 100% conviction and by putting in 100% commitment, right? It takes around 2 to 3 years to actually start having passive income.
Very
for
true.
network marketing. It will not start instantly. This long, it will take.
Minimum.
Because it will take time to grow your influence organically on the internet. It will take time to prepare yourself, to train yourself to deal with different kind of customers and team. It will take time to develop the leadership quality in you,
Correct.
even if you have the best systems. Getting my point? So in this way, if you build the business properly, you'll always have good quality leads. You will enjoy passive income if you build business in this manner. I hope you liked the video. If you're interested to learn the right system, how to build a network marketing business 100% online without convincing anyone, go to the link, go to the description and click on the link where you can connect with me directly on WhatsApp and I help you build the system. The second thing is, if you want to personally work with me in my team, then you can refer the link in description. You can apply to work with me and build 5 mini income stream by just working 30 minutes per day along with your current profession without disturbing your current profession. Then you can apply, we can work together. Thank you so much.